Hello everyone, Doris here. Welcome to day 6 of 7 Days of Spring, which is a collaboration between DearJulieJulie and Cara Brandon Creations right here on YouTube. These are the digitals that we're going to be working with today. The first digital is from DearJulieJulie. She has this large ephemera piece here and then 2 other smaller little ephemera pieces. Okay, and then Cara's, we have 3 journaling cards here and a whole bunch of other little ephemera pieces. We got tickets, vintage advertising here, and some little stamped, more advertising it looks like, and another tag and some little labels. First, I have this journal page. This is from DearJulieJulie Yaya Spring Days kit, and I have shown you this on previous days of this challenge. I love to use it, so I'm using it again today. Then on the cover here, I enlarged Cara's images here, made it into a little pocket, and here's that image here. I enlarged it. I also enlarged the tickets, inked around them. Here I messed up a bit, so I just put a ephemera piece that Cara had from a previous day and another one of the little stamps. One thing I did add on here, I took some of my old graph paper that has the numbers on it and I made like a little tab up there, so you can tuck something at the top or in the pocket here on the side. Put a little trim along the edge. On the inside is Julie's large ephemera piece. I just decided to, let me show you that real quick. So that's right here. What I decided to do was also enlarge hers as well. Make it to cover an entire page, and this is going to end up being the center of my signature. The next item, graph paper here, another page. It's going to be added to the journal. Enlarged another of Cara's ephemera pieces. Did the same thing I did with the previous one. Made it into a little pocket here. Stitched around it. And then one of her journaling cards, I kept that the same size, just inked around it. Added 2 different vintage trims here. I have a seam binding and a little lace there. And I just made it so it more or less flips up and you can write underneath that. And then on another one of Cara's journaling cards, I enlarged it just like I did Julie's into to be a whole page. Obviously I'm not done with it, but just wanted to show you how you can take something that's small and play around with it and to create different kinds of ideas for your journal. And then on the front here, this is from Cara's kit, Blushing Blooms, one of her background pages. So for both shops, I used a different digital for each one. And then lastly, I have little tags I made. This is one of Cara's journaling cards. It had the butterflies on there. I kept it the same size, but I just cut it into the shape of a tag. Put a little hole reinforcer on there. Then the next piece, another tag of Cara's. Kept it the same, just added a butterfly that was actually from this tag here. And then I added just a couple little trims I had glued together there. Attached it all with a ball pen. And then another one of Cara's little labels. I had a flower stamp I stamped on there. Another little eyelet. And used some of that. And I used some glossy accents on there. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you will check out the other crafters' ideas based off of these digitals. We're on to the last day tomorrow. So come on back and check everyone's creations out. Be sure to add the hashtag 7 Days of Spring 2021, where you can find all of the crafters that have joined into this challenge all together in one spot. Have a great day and be sure to come back tomorrow. Bye now.